Welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, I will be going to show you type function and format string. So let's start. First I will show you type function. Suppose I take num equals to 20. Print type num. See, answer is coming integer because I have taken an integer value. So if I take a name here, suppose num equals to Rohit. If I take Rohit, let's see what the output is. Let's see the output. str, string. Okay, now suppose let's see 20.5. We all know that it is a float value, so answer should come float. Let's see the output. See, it's coming float. See, float. So this is about the type function. In other languages like C, C++, what you have to do? int float num, like that. But here, if you use a type function, you will know what is it, like float, integer or string. So that's the type function. Now let's move on to format string. Let's show you what is format string. Suppose I take num1 equals to 30 and num2 equals to 50. Let me give a space here. Print the sum of two numbers. You all know how to print it. I have already shown in my previous videos. Then I give a comma. You all know again what I am doing. I have already shown you in the previous videos. num1 plus num2. Now let's see the output. You all know what the output will come, but still I am showing you once again. See, the sum of two numbers is 80. 50 plus 30 is 80. So suppose I want to print a number like this. num1 plus num2 equals to, suppose, 70. Or you can say like this, 30 plus 50 equals to 80. This is what I want to print. Then what should I do? I should use format string. Now I will show you what is the format string. Remember, F stands for format string. After F you start a double quotation. Now I will take a digit num1, so bracket num1. Is it clear? num1 bracket close, another one plus num2, then again a bracket num2. Clear? I have taken num2. Now it will be equals to, because I want to sum it, equals to again bracket a value num1 plus num2. Is it clear? Okay, now I close this. Oh, I made a mistake. I close this. num1 plus num2. Okay, now is it absolutely clear? I was making an error, sorry for that. Now let's see what the output is. See, now you can easily see 30 plus 50 equals to 80. So that's about the format string. You have to use F, double quotation begin. You are taking num1 value is 30, so you will be taking num1 in the second bracket. You are doing sum, so num1 plus num2. Num2 is also a value. Then you have to take a bracket equals to what is the result, sum1 plus sum2. Then brackets close. That's it. By this we complete this video. If you like this video, if the video helps you, please like the button and subscribe the channel. If you have any queries, just comment down. I will reply the answers. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.